Hello everyone and welcome back. Isn't it gorgeous up here? Look at this. This is Australian weather at its best. So it's not always like this though. We've had a lot of rain recently. Some of you know we live on a ridge, so our driveway is pretty steep. It's bitumen, some of it, but the rain has washed some of that out, so it's making it awfully hard to get up and down the driveway. We'll go down today. I've bought some of those bags of bitumen. You know, it's like, I'll show you the bag in a minute. And we're going to take it down. We've got a fair bit of it, so we'll use the tractor. We'll take that down, put it down there where the holes are, or I should say the trenches. And if I feel energetic enough today, because I had a little bit too much last night, so if I feel a bit energetic today, I will start filling up some of those holes. Jodie's here somewhere, but I don't think you'll see her on camera today, so we'll see how we go. First step, got to get the tractor started, get the bags loaded up and find all the tools. All right. Okay, so this is the bitumen product we're going to use today, or we're going to try and use. I've used this before. It seems to work pretty well actually, but it's really messy, so I've got some gloves for that. You'll see shortly. I've got about 10 bags. I'll load them up. I'll show you. And there you go. 13 bags of asphalt plus some tools ready to go down. It's pretty interesting actually. The tractor has a meant to have a weight limit of 200 kilos in the bucket, and that's 260 kilos I think. I'm not sure about my math, but I think that's pretty close. Let's see how she goes down the driveway. So I'll stop just here, jump out, and I'll show you what we're going to deal with. Okay, so this is the worst part of our driveway. It's 250 metres long. The rain came over that hill, just got a little bit under there and started trenching this out. And you can see the big potholes that we have to deal with. I mean, they're not really potholes, like a trench. Look at this thing. Hey Rockstar, what's that? And it goes down and keeps going down, as you can see, right down to about here. That's the worst bit. There's a little tiny bit there, and then the rest of the driveway is fine. So the plan is to just start filling in some of these potholes here. The car that we have has one of those automatic differential locks on it. It's just a van, and unfortunately when it gets a little bit of a bounce here, the differential lock, you can't turn it off, it cuts out. The car then coaxes for a few seconds, and then it kicks back in, and then that's what's causing this bunny hopping effect up the driveway. So we'll probably start today with this one, because that's in the middle of it all, and then dump the rest of the stuff just somewhere over there maybe, or over here, and then just when we get the chance in between work and everything else, just patch this up. The plan is to concrete all of this behind us here, going up to the house in stages. We've got a vibrating screed that's on order over in one of the towns near us, about 45-minute drive away. So once that arrives, which we're hoping this week, we've already got some conform, which is some formwork. It's flexible formwork. So hopefully we'll be able to lay that out and just do it in stages, concentrating on these worst bits first, and then from there we can finish off the rest over time. It's only for us, so it doesn't have to look fancy, it just has to be good.
Good boy. Come on. Come on, Odin. Come on. Running from the tractor.
And there you have it. That's the patchwork done. Just a small amount today. We'll do the rest as we get to it. It's a lot to do in one day, so obviously we're not going to get to do it all. There's a bit of rain coming tomorrow. They're forecasting 3 or 4 days of storms, so maybe next weekend if it dries out, we'll finish the rest. You've seen what we did. If we've done something wrong, because we're not experts, please pop it in the comments below. Let me know if I've gone too thick, too thin, didn't pack it down enough, didn't go over the edges, whatever it is. It'd be really nice to know, because I've got a lot more of this to do. All right, that's it for me today. I'm going to go and enjoy this beautiful day before the rain hits. Thanks very much for watching.